This is not a good video.
Get him to talk.
Well, tell me about it. Tell Mimi. Oh, Kason, what's the matter? Really? Well, tell me about it. Tell Mimi. And then what happened? Can you tell me some more? Really? Was it that bad? Oh, that's terrible. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
And what else? Was there anything else? Can you tell more?
That's what a teething baby has to say.